Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of wood, exploring 5 amazing types of wood, each with unique qualities that make them stand out. Whether you're a seasoned carpenter or just starting your woodworking journey, there's something here for everyone. 1. Maple. First on the list is maple, a true favorite in the woodworking world. Its strength and fine, uniform grain make it ideal for furniture and flooring. Did you know there are 2 main types of maple? Hard maple, known for its durability, is perfect for cutting boards and countertops, while soft maple is lighter and easier to work with, great for cabinets and smaller projects. 2. Walnut. Next up, we have the luxurious walnut. Renowned for its rich, dark color and intricate grain patterns, walnut adds a touch of elegance to any project. It's a favorite for crafting high-end furniture, guitars, and even gunstocks. Pro tip: apply a clear finish to let walnut's natural beauty shine through. 3. Oak. When it comes to durability, oak reigns supreme. Its natural strength and resistance to moisture make it ideal for outdoor projects like fences, decks, and even wine barrels. Fun fact: oak comes in 2 varieties: red oak, which has a bold grain pattern, and white oak, prized for its water resistance and subtle elegance. 4. Pine. For beginners or those on a budget, pine is a go-to option. It's soft, lightweight, and easy to cut, making it perfect for DIY projects or rustic furniture. Plus, it takes paint and stain exceptionally well, allowing for endless creative possibilities. Just keep in mind that pine can dent easily, so it's better for indoor use. 5. Mahogany. Last but definitely not least is the timeless mahogany. With its deep reddish-brown color and smooth grain, mahogany is a symbol of luxury. It's commonly used in crafting fine furniture, boats, and even musical instruments. Fun fact: mahogany's stability makes it a favorite for intricate carvings and detailed designs. Bonus tips for choosing the right wood: consider the project's purpose. Will the piece be indoors or outdoors? Think about the tools you'll use. Hardwoods require sharper tools. Factor in finishing options. Some woods, like walnut and mahogany, look stunning with a natural finish, while others, like pine, are great for painted projects. So there you have it, folks. 5 incredible woods, each with its unique benefits, ready to elevate your next woodworking project. Let me know in the comments, which of these woods is your favorite to work with? Or is there another type you love that we didn't mention? Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more woodworking tips, project ideas, and inspiration. Until next time, happy woodworking!